JetBrains vs Neovim 2025, which code editor is best for developers? Most developers get this wrong by assuming bigger tools are always better. JetBrains and Neovim are both powerful, but they serve very different purposes. JetBrains IDEs, like Chili and PyCharm, provide a full-featured environment with intelligent code completion, debugging tools, and built-in version control. You won't believe what happens next. They also offer extensive plugin support and integrate with databases, build tools, and cloud platforms. Neovim, on the other hand, is lightweight, highly customizable, and perfect for developers who prefer keyboard-driven workflows. It's incredibly fast, supports plugins, and works well on remote servers. The surprising truth is that Neovim can match many JetBrains features if configured correctly, but it requires more setup and technical knowledge. So which is best? For beginners, teams, or developers needing robust debugging and collaboration tools, JetBrains is ideal. For experienced programmers who value speed, minimalism, and full customization, Neovim shines. Your choice depends on whether you want convenience or complete control over your coding environment.